Construction of rectangular hyperbola. Here we have a question. OA lines OA and OB are perpendicular to each other. A point P from OA line above 50 mm and 40 mm from OB. Okay, OA line from OA, point P less from OA 50 mm and 40 mm from OB. Okay, draw hyperbola from point P. Okay, draw hyperbola from point P. Divide every part. Okay, divide every part equals to 10 mm and the maximum are 8 parts. Okay, maximum are 8 parts. Okay, observe the procedure carefully. OA and OB lines are perpendicular to each other. OA and OB lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, two lines, the intersection point of OA and OB. Okay, this is the center point O, intersection point of OA and OB. This is O and this is OA line. Okay, and this is OB line. Okay, OA line and OB line. Line OA and OB. Okay, this is OB line. This is OB line. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. A point P lies 50 mm from OA and 40 mm from OB. Okay, the height is 50 mm and width is 40 mm. That means a point lies above 50 mm from OB 40 mm. Okay, measure 50 mm height. Okay, measure 50 mm height. That means from OA 50 mm and from this measure 40 mm. Okay, this is the point P. Okay, this is your point P. The point P is from the height of the point P is above 50 mm. Okay, above 50 mm from OA. Next 40 mm from OB. Okay, next draw from point P, draw a parallel line to OB. Okay, and draw a parallel line to OA. Draw a parallel line to OB and draw a parallel line to OB. Okay, up to extend the line up to the line touches the OA line. Okay, extend this line up to the line touches this OB line. This is your point P. Okay, this is your point P, lies above 50 mm of OA. Next 40 mm from OB. Okay, the distance is 40 mm from OB. Okay, this is 50 mm and here we have from OB 40 mm. Okay, the distance is OB line 40 mm and OA line. Okay, OB line 40 mm, OA line 50 mm. Okay, this is the point P. Okay, next divide every part is equals to, okay, divide every part is equals to 10 mm and the maximum parts are 8. Okay, from point P. Okay, from point P this line is parallel to OA line. Okay, divide 4 parts in this. Okay, divide 4 parts which is equals to 10 mm. That means 1 centimeter, means 1 centimeter. Okay, 4 parts. Okay, next on this line divide 4 parts. Okay, which is equals to 10 mm. Every part is equals to 10 mm. Okay, we have here we have 4. Okay, name those points. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and finally 4. Okay, next this is here we have 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, we have maximum 8 equal parts. Okay, every part is equals to 10 mm. We have maximum 8 equal parts. Okay, next. Okay, join these lines. Okay, join these lines from intersection point of both OA and OB line. Okay, draw lines. Okay, with the help of your scale. Okay, this is the center point O. Okay, OA and OB lines intersection point. Okay, from O joint 1, draw a line O1 line up to 1. Okay, draw a line up to O2 to 2. Okay, next point O to 3. Okay, next point O to 4. Okay, next same here we have 5 6 7 8. Okay, from O draw a line up to the line reach 5. Okay, draw a line up to the line reach 6. Okay, draw a line up to the line reach 7. Okay, draw a line up to the line reach 8. This, okay, we have to joint this 1 2 3 4 from O and 5 6 7 8 and also from O. Why? Because this is the intersection point of OA and OB line. Okay, next observe carefully this point. Okay, this O1 line and O2 line, O3 O4 line, O1 line touches at this line. Okay, at this point let this is 1 dash. Okay, O2 line touches this straight line it up to this point, let this is 2 dash. Okay, this O3 line touches this line at 2, this is 3 dash. Okay, this O4 line touches at this point, name it as 4 dash. Okay, here we have 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash. Okay, next upward side this O5 line touches this horizontal line at this point, name it as 5 dash 5 5 dash. This O6 line touches here, let this is 6 dash 6 6 dash. Okay, next here we have 7 dash. Okay, next the 8 line touches here, this is 8 dash. Okay, we have 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash and 5 5 dash, 6 6 dash, 7 7 dash, 8 8 dash. Okay, next thing. Okay, with the help of your drafter, measure your drafter to parallel to OA line and perpendicular to OB line. Okay, this scale must be parallel to OB line and this scale must be parallel to OA line. Okay, next draw horizontal lines from 1 dash. Okay, the next draw vertical lines from 1. Okay, okay, draw horizontal line from 1 dash, draw vertical line from 1. The both line intersection point, name it as the both lines intersection point P1. Okay, name it as this both lines intersection point P1. Okay, repeat same 2 from 2 horizontal, draw horizontal lines from 2. Okay, draw vertical lines from 2 dash. Okay, the both lines intersect at this point, let this is P2. Okay, let this is P2. Okay, next draw horizontal line from 3 dash. Okay, and vertical lines from 3. Okay, let this intersection point P3. Okay, next draw horizontal line from 4. Okay, draw vertical line from 4 dash. Okay, this 4 4 dash intersection point P4. Okay, 1 1 dash intersection point P1, 2 2 dash intersection point P2, 3 3 dash intersection point P3, 4 4 dash intersection point P4. Okay, repeat the same thing from this side. Draw vertical lines from 5 dash. Okay, draw horizontal lines from 5. Okay, this is P5. Okay, draw vertical lines from 6. Okay, draw horizontal lines from 6 dash. Okay, this intersection point is P6. Okay, draw vertical lines from 7 dash. Okay, draw horizontal line from 7. Okay, this is P7. Okay, next draw vertical lines from 8, horizontal line from 8. Okay, 8 dash to 8, the intersection point is P8. Intersection point is P8. Okay, okay, this is your point P. Okay, this is your point P. Draw a curve passing through this all intersection point. Okay, from point P. Okay, draw a curve passing through this all intersection point. Okay, this is P2, P1 and P2 and P3, P4. Okay, this. Okay, from point P. Okay, next thing P2 up to this P4, repeat this P5, P6, P7 and P8. Okay, draw a curve from point P, P2, P1 intersection point, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. Okay, draw a curve. This curve is nothing but your hyperbola. Okay, this curve is nothing but your hyperbola. Okay, this is the procedure to construct hyperbola in rectangular method. Okay, this is rectangular method hyperbola. rectangular hyperbola. This is a procedure to construct an hyperbola where the point P lies 50 mm from OA line and 40 mm from OB line. This is a procedure to construct a hyperbola through rectangular method. Okay, thank you for watching.